Hey, what's up? I'm Kyle, and this is going to be a review of Stock Navigators by Timothy and Tom Luong. I spent a lot of time day trading, and it wasn't for me, but I eventually found a business model that did work for me. So before I get into the review of Stock Navigators, I want to expose you to one more option if you're looking for a way to make money online, because you're obviously here because you're looking for another way to make money. This is another model that worked for me, and you likely haven't heard of it. So if you want to learn more about it, there's a link in the description, but I'm going to break down the basics of how it works. So what I do is I rent little websites to business owners. So for example, I'll build a website for something like junk removal in Austin, Texas. I'll build out a 1 to 5 page website and all about junk removal in Austin. And then I'll do some basic SEO on that site to get it ranking so that when any time somebody searches for junk removal services in Austin, my website shows up. And when it does start showing up after a few months, people will start calling the little phone number that's on that website. It's a little phone number I put there called a tracking phone number I pay $2 a month for. And I can control where those calls route to. So once those calls start flowing in because I'm on page 1 for Junk Removal Austin, I go find an actual junk removal company who wants to pay me $1,000, $1,500 a month to keep all the calls that come in through my website. It starts off by me giving them a 7-day free trial because my overhead on the website is less than $20 a month, so I might as well give them some calls for free to test out the product. So they try out the calls, and if they're a competent business owner, they're usually going to close a few jobs, and by the end of those 7 days, they're usually not going to want the calls to stop, so they're willing to work out a $1,000, $2,000 a month deal to keep all the calls flowing and get more work. Once I have that business owner hooked up to those calls, all of my work is done and it's passive after that. All I have to do is run their credit card every month. The website just sits there like a little piece of digital real estate, generating phone calls for less than $20 a month, and my business owner just gets all the calls on autopilot and pays me my fee with whatever we worked out. This business model has worked out for me for the past 5 years. I do over $30,000 a month in it, and it's my favorite business model, obviously, but you obviously have to look for a bunch of different models before you find the one that works for you. So this is another one to consider. Check out the link in my description, read the page. There's a lot more info and details on how it works, and it may pique your interest and it may be a better route for you than stock trading. But now onto the review of Stock Navigators. Today, I'm diving into Stock Navigators created by Timothy and Tom Luong. If you're looking to get into swing trading or take your stock trading skills to the next level, this review is for you. What's Stock Navigators all about? Stock Navigators is an educational trading program that teaches both beginner and experienced traders how to successfully trade stocks. The company was founded by Tim Luong after he became successful with swing trading, a strategy where you hold assets for days or weeks before selling. The program started small but has since grown to serve over 1,600 students, offering 2 main courses depending on your experience level. What can you expect from the course? For beginners, the Money Zone method is the way to go. It's a 13-module course with about 3 hours of video content. You'll learn fundamental trading strategies, the mindset you need to succeed, and how to analyze chart patterns. They even include a bonus module on how to use Renko charts, a popular tool for recognizing key levels in trading. If you're more experienced, there's an expert trader program. This is their flagship course packed with over 60 hours of content. It covers everything from swing trading to day trading, offering real-world examples, weekly Q&A sessions, and access to a student community. Plus, you get to use a trading simulator to practice your strategies. Now let's get into the pros and cons. The pros: you'll get a comprehensive education, whether you're a beginner or a more seasoned trader. The access to a supportive community and regular Q&A sessions can be a real game changer, and Tim's background in swing trading means you're learning from someone who has walked the walk. On the downside, the cost is something to consider. The Expert Trader program is quite pricey, with additional upsells that can push the cost even higher. Some students have also raised concerns about the pacing of the lessons and issues with refunds, so make sure you're fully aware before committing. My final thoughts: Stock Navigators is a solid option for those serious about learning trading, but it comes with a high price tag and requires dedication. It's a good fit if you're ready to invest the time and money into learning trading strategies that can work over the long term. So that was my review of Stock Navigators. Like I said before, I tried trading. It didn't work out for me. Doesn't mean it won't work out for you, but you do have to try a bunch of different business models before you find the thing that really takes off. I tried a bunch of different things before I found my website rental business model. So just check out the link in the description. If it piques your interest, great. If not, move on. But check out the link in the description. It'll tell you in more detail how it works. I also have my email in the description, so you can shoot me an email if you have any questions about my business model at least. Good luck to you, and hope you find the thing that works out for you. All right, bye.